Paul Basolka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 2, Number 2. But before we do, I'd like to broach the subject of diction. What is diction? Well, it sounds like the word dictionary. What's dictionary? It's a book of words. What's diction? It means word choice. So, the problem with diction, it's kind of a catch-22, which is on SAT writing and language, diction is a pretty common type of question, but most diction questions are so random that it doesn't make sense for you to study the dictionary to get these diction questions correct. You should know the difference between affect and effect and then versus than, but besides that, there's not too much that you want to know the difference between. So today with number 2, we see that it's kind of random and it's really subtle differences between these words that are otherwise synonyms. And these are the types of questions that doesn't really make sense to spend so much time studying. You want to make sure you're focusing, getting everything else before you look at these. The sentence reads, these models have expanded researchers' knowledge of ancient species and swear to advance the field of paleontology in the years to come. And your answer choices are, do these models, keep in mind the subject is these models, do they swear to advance the field of paleontology, subscribe to advance the field of paleontology, vow to advance the field of paleontology, or promise to advance the field of paleontology? Keep in mind the subject is models. So the problem with swear, now swear in one context could be a synonym of answer choice D, promise. Like in that song, I swear by the moon and the stars in the sky. Like I promise by the moon and stars in the sky that I'll be there. That's not it. Because only a person could swear as in promise like that. Subscribe, usually that's kind of the wrong direction. You might subscribe to a certain belief, like you buy into it. Sub literally means below, scribe means to write. So if you subscribe to something, it's as if you're signing your name at the bottom of the document. That's literally what it's saying. But that does not fit either. They're not saying like I buy into advance the field of paleontology, just like I promise in that sense. Vow. And for the same reason that the swear is wrong, a person could make a vow as in, I will definitely do this, I give you my word. So why is promise the correct answer here? Well, promise could be used more figuratively, as in, this year promises to be a great one for the Old Bridge High School men's baseball team. Returning are like this guy, that guy, and the other guy. So, promise could be used figuratively like that. So, in other words, a model could promise to advance the field of paleontology in the years to come. Subtle difference, right? Difficult to see. A lot of students get this question wrong. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with diction questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.